Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you how to make McDonald's style fries in the comfort of your own home. And this recipe might change the way that you make fries from now on. Now this is a hack recipe, so I'm cutting straight to the chase and using store-bought fries. This way you save a lot of time and a lot of hassle. The first step is to put your fries in a bowl and immerse them in water. Now McDonald's add a thing called dextrose to their fries, and that's a kind of sweetener, so I'm going to use the next best thing, plain old sugar. Now, another ingredient you can find on the official McDonald's website for fries is a thing called beef. So I'm going to add my version of beef, which is chicken stock and beef stock. Why wouldn't you? Next, mix it in and let it permeate those fries for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, drain the fries and let them dry. You can even dab them with a paper towel to speed up the process. And when your fries are nice and dry, it's time to get busy because we're going to fry these babies in a combination of regular canola oil and Wagyu fat. Yes, you heard me, Wagyu fat. Now I'm using this because I live in Japan and it's free at the supermarket. But as a substitute, beef tallow or shortening will do just fine. The next step is to add the fries and, well, fry them until they're nice and golden brown. And when they're done, they should look something like this. Hang on, has someone just left some McDonald's fries on my tray? Oh, no, they're my fries. Now, when I was a little Bento Buster, I used to work at McDonald's, and on some days, I would work the fry station. And I know from my experience that these fries aren't legit until they've been salted. And maybe insalted. You naughty, naughty fries, I'm gonna give you a wee shake because you're so darn delicious. And here's a little tip for you. Always blow on a hot fry. Otherwise, you're going to burn your tongue. They definitely are McDonald's-y. And dare I say it, even better. But you're going to have to make these yourself to find out. So there it is. I've thrown down the gauntlet, and now it's your turn. Oh, and fries aren't really fries unless there's ketchup, right? Yep, for a homemade version, I think I've nailed it. Oh, and fingers crossed at the hamburger that's watching, because he might take this recipe and, well, use it to improve his fries. Okay guys, well, that's it for today. Haha, see you next time. And remember, always blow on the fry.